Hello and good afternoon. We are here with all the important topics right before the U.S. stock market rings the bell. Eli Lilly stock surged as much as 14% after the pharmaceutical giant reported outstanding second quarter results, driven by the success of its GLP-1-based weight loss drugs, Mounjaro and Zepbound. The company's revenue for the quarter hit $11.30 billion, far surpassing analyst estimates of $9.98 billion. This impressive performance was largely attributed to Mounjaro, which saw sales of $3.1 billion, marking a 215% year-over-year increase, significantly exceeding the $2.4 billion expected by analysts. Zepbound, which was launched in late 2023 and is indicated for weight loss, contributed $1.2 billion in sales. Eli Lilly also raised its 2024 revenue outlook to a range of $45.4 billion to $46.6 billion, up from its previous guidance of $42.4 billion to $43.6 billion. Additionally, the company's adjusted EPS outlook for 2024 was lifted to $16.10 to $16.60, well above the $13.71 predicted by analysts. CEO David Ricks highlighted the company's efforts to expand manufacturing capacity to meet the soaring demand, noting that much of the demand for their weight loss drugs is organic, driven by consumer interest rather than aggressive marketing. J.P. Morgan reiterated its overweight rating on Eli Lilly, setting a price target of $1,000 and expressing optimism about the company's potential for continued growth as it expands its product offerings and manufacturing capabilities. Palantir Technologies saw a 10% increase in its stock price following the announcement of a strategic partnership with Microsoft to enhance the U.S. government's national security infrastructure. The agreement will integrate Palantir's AI platform, AIP, with Microsoft's Azure OpenAI services, offering advanced AI and cloud capabilities to U.S. defense and intelligence agencies, including entities like the Central Intelligence Agency, CIA, and military intelligence branches. This collaboration is expected to significantly bolster the technological resources available to these agencies, enabling more robust national security operations. The partnership is seen as a major step forward in how the U.S. government leverages artificial intelligence and cloud computing to meet its security needs. Palantir's Chief Technology Officer, Shyam Sankar, emphasized that this partnership represents a transformative enhancement in the ability to support national security missions. While the financial details of the agreement were not disclosed, the deal is likely to strengthen the relationship between Palantir and Microsoft, both of which stand to benefit from expanded contracts with the U.S. government. Microsoft's stock also experienced a modest increase, reflecting investor confidence in the potential of this partnership. Shares of Bumble plummeted to a record low, dropping by 37% after the online dating company drastically reduced its full-year revenue guidance due to weaker-than-expected consumer spending. The company, which operates the popular Bumble app, now forecasts a year-over-year revenue increase of just 1% to 2%, a significant downgrade from the previous expectation of 8% to 11%. This revised outlook comes as Bumble struggles to maintain its user base and monetize its services effectively. Despite an increase in total paying users by 13.9% to 4.1 million, the average revenue per paying user declined by 8%, falling to $21.37. Bumble's second quarter revenue rose by 3.4% to $268.6 million, which fell short of analyst expectations. However, the company's earnings per share, EPS, of 0.22 exceeded estimates. The company's CFO, Anu Subramanian, attributed the lower revenue guidance to actions being taken to reposition Bumble for long-term growth, focusing on improving customer value and reigniting user growth. The market reaction was swift and severe, with Bumble's shares hitting an all-time low of 480 shortly after the market opened on Thursday, reflecting investor concerns over the company's ability to navigate these challenges. The stock has lost approximately two-thirds of its value this year, underscoring the difficulties Bumble faces in a competitive and evolving market. This is all we have for you this week. We are MEXEM TV, and we will be here next week, same place, same time. Goodbye.